Hi, I'm Joy. While I love my Tesla Model 3, I am just like the majority of the Tesla owners out there where I'm okay with a stock car. I am okay with not wrapping my car in different colors or adding body kits and doing tons of really amazing modifications like the ones that you may see when you go to a Tesla meetup. However, being a woman, and also there are a lot more Teslas in my area now, I do want to add that extra little personal touch to my car so that my car would feel like mine and it's not like everyone else out there. So I found some products that will glam up my car a little bit, and I think the ladies out there would appreciate this video. So I'm going to show you the products that I've gotten. I'm going to put them on and I will show you the final result. And these are what I've gotten. I got these blingy door handles that I'm going to stick on. And these are all 3M adhesive, so very easy to apply and install. Just peel and stick. I love all these peel and stick products. I also got the Tesla logo emblems for the front and also for the trunk. Again, these are all stick-ons, super easy to do. And these are for my steering wheel. So this goes to the center of your Tesla logo on your steering wheel, and this goes underneath, so kind of like that. And again, I'll show you the final result. I do want to caution you though, if you are interested in doing these on the steering wheel, you need to understand the risk that you may take, because the airbag is embedded in the steering wheel. So in case of a car accident or bad car accident where the airbag would deploy, there's a chance that these may just fly onto my face and scratch me. So install these at your own risk. I am taking my risk with these. And then finally, I found these tire valve caps. Also blingy. Since I have stock wheels for my tires, all I did was just remove the aero wheel caps. I thought, why not? I will add a little bit bling to my tires this way. So very easy to install. Just remove the current tire valves and then screw these on and you're done. All these products, by the way, I bought them on Amazon. I found them on Amazon myself, so there's no sponsorship or nobody gave me these for free. And when you receive these, let me see, it will give you instruction on how to apply these. So basically, you need to make sure that the area that you're going to sticking these onto, like the door handles and the current Tesla emblems, are clean. So I'm going to go around and just kind of wipe them clean. It does say that don't use glass cleaners because I think it has like wax in it or something and it's not going to work out well. So just water or like a regular cleaner. So I'm going to go wipe around. And then during winter, use heat gun to warm up the back of the sticker. And it will help to get the sticker, I think, stretch it to the size. And then finally, after application, the bond strength will increase as the adhesive flows onto the surface. Use medium strength to press on the sticker, especially on the edges by hand for 60 seconds. So I need to hold on to these for like a minute just to make sure they adhere. This will increase the adhesive effectiveness. Avoid water in 72 hours after application. So After you install these, make sure the forecast doesn't say that it's going to rain or you have your lawn sprinkler coming onto your car or you need to wash your car. So just make sure for 3 days, these stickers will not encounter water. And this would ensure longevity of the application. So without further ado, let me go ahead and get these applied and I will be back showing you the final result. I am doing the steering wheel first. So I just used the car cleaner that I normally would use to clean my car and just got a microfiber cloth to wipe this area. And again, you see it says airbag there. So the airbag will come out this way. Hopefully I won't get into a car accident where the airbag will deploy, but the stickers will go on here and then up here. So let me get to work. The steering wheel is done. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. Wow, literally just peel and stick. This is so pretty. I love it so much. Oh my goodness, this is so girly. Sorry guys, I'm a girl. I like girly stuff. By the way, they also sell stickers that will cover up these 2 areas as well with the same type of blings. I decided not to do it because I think it'll be too much, and also I don't want to have another layer that may interfere with the operations of the squirrel wheels when I have to go left and right, up and down, go like that. And I think this is just enough glam to not make it too crazy looking. So pretty. All right, all the stickers are on. This is the front one. Oh my goodness, it's gorgeous. I love it. I love it. I love it. I'm going to come to this side because this is where the sun is shining. And these are the tire caps. So pretty. I don't know if you can see the sparkles. And then these are the door handles. So one thing though, these are perfect cut, but this one, I think because of the thickness, sometimes when I close it, it doesn't close all the way. So I have to be mindful of people closing the doors on the passenger side. So pretty. Oh my goodness, so pretty. I love it so much. And then this is the one on the trunk. It's kind of cloudy right now, but I don't know if you can see the reflection. So cool. I love it so much. And these are so easy to do. Just stick them on and that's it. By the way, after I finished this video, I also found these blingy plates for the side repeater cameras to add to my car. Well, that's how easy it is to glam up your Tesla. My car looks so good. I love it so much. And by the way, these are the tire valve caps that I'm keeping. I'm going to put them in my glove box so I don't lose them. And for whatever reason, if they start to peel off or I lose them, I can always just get a replacement and stick it back on. It's that easy and they're not that expensive. So check out the product information in the description. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time and God bless you.